Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. We are doing an unboxing. There is spoilers, so if you purchased the bundle for January for Nailzinacoffin and you don't want to be spoiled, if you want to be surprised, don't watch this video or wait to watch this video. But I couldn't wait to get this unboxed and get a mani done. It is Alice in Wonderland themed. These decals are so good. I love them all, but the colors, the colors, which you're going to see here in a second, are so gorgeous. And they matched perfectly with some of the decals, so that is what I did. I will show you which decals I used later on in the video. This is the freebie, nice dusting brush. I love it. I actually needed a new good brush, so that is super helpful. But these colors are so beautiful. And this is Nailzinacoffin cuticle oil. She's making her own, and it's so good. I don't know what the scent description is. It's Hatter's Cake, so something cake, but it is great. This is Alice. It's beautiful. And look how much you get in here. I transferred these into my little jars and they're almost full. So you get a good amount. I needed a white for under the decals, so I'm using my favorite white, which is Vivid Glam Co. French White. And we're going to get into it. I am using my new liquids, Daisy Dips Nail Co. And I do love these liquids. They're probably my favorite I've ever used, but they are, even using the nose filters, they're giving me like a headache and then a little bit of asthma symptoms later in the evening. And I think that's because I've never done my nails back to back to back to back with non-odorless dip liquids, and so I'm just overexposing myself. Like if I were to use them just like here or there or just for top coat, I probably wouldn't have a problem. But I was in my nail room like 5 days in a row and I'm out of my odorless. I have Revels Sensitive coming. I don't know when they're going to be here. So likely what I'm going to do, since I'm still doing press-ons for a little bit longer, I have something in the works. I'm not going to spoil it now because hopefully I will be recording a video and showing you guys. But so what I'm probably going to do for the meantime is use gel liquids. I know, weird because I'm allergic, but because I'm doing press-ons and I'm literally just putting them on with sticky tabs for pictures, and then I'm taking them off right now because I'm done so much damage to my nails putting press-ons on with glue. And yeah, so because I'm just putting them on, gosh, I've so lost my train of thought. For a very short time, I think I'll be fine. If I notice I'm not and I'm reacting, which I don't think I'm going to for just such a short time, then I won't do it. But then I'm going to have to take a pause because I'm not going to keep exposing myself and my lungs to feeling like crap. And I can't express this enough. I cannot stand wearing a mask while I'm doing my nails. I can't do it. I get very claustrophobic in the mask. And for me, it's just really not an option. Okay, let's talk about what we're doing. So this is Thunderbird Lane and this is Alice, and it came in the bundle, obviously. And I'm obsessed. I think that's why I kept losing my train of thought, because it is so gorgeous. It's beautiful. It does glow. I'm sorry, I did not get any glow pics. I also did not get any glow video. I don't know. If I was going to do a glow mani, I like to do like the whole thing glowing, and I only had 2 nails with this color on it, but it does glow. So if you did get this, spoiler, it glows. But it's so pretty. And then those 2 white nails, I did 1 layer and then I set aside because I am going to do some of the glitter accents on them. And I've seen this like in different manis from different people all over the place. But I've never actually done it where I put like glitter on the nail that I'm going to put the decal on. And I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but I love it. It's so good. It's so beautiful. Okay. So now we're going to do the glitter. I'm going to do 1 pour over and then 1 where I lay the nail flat in, and then we will get into the glitter accent on the white nails. I'm going to let you guys watch and I'm going to take a little break. I will be back. So I just did the one layer of the glitter ombre and then of course the white over, just so that I had 2 layers of the white in the places where the glitter wasn't. And now I'm just kind of going to go in, and I just put the base coat on just the front part of the nail, and then I'll do it on the back part as well here in a second. But I'm just going to kind of put a little more of that glitter in places it was a little sparse. I'm going to do that to the front, then the back, and then I do it to the other nail, but I do that one off camera. And then I will clear cap everything, and I do that off camera, and then I will activate, and I do activate on camera, but then I file and buff off camera. So I'm going to let you guys watch this part. I will be back as soon as we're done with the filing and buffing. Not that you will see that, but I will be back when we get into the decal, which will just be here in a few minutes. So I'm just testing the nails. The 2 solid blue nails were ready to file, but the other ones were a little bit soft still. So I filed the 2 blue ones, and then I went in and filed the rest. So originally I did 15 seconds in the water, and then when I went to put them on the stamper and pull the backing off, they weren't quite ready. So I put them back in the water for about 5 seconds. So 20 seconds was the magic for me. I find in between 15 and 25 for most decals does the trick. I usually don't have to go over 25 seconds. And then I just put it right where I wanted it, and I'm just kind of like flattening it out, which was super easy. It did not need a lot of work. And then I did the same thing with the Alice one. I put it in the water for about 20 seconds, and then I was able to take the backing right off, and I'm just kind of putting it on there and flattening it out. Now, because these are not full cover decals that I'm using, I don't do my normal activator and then a base layer of base coat. Or did I? Oh, no, actually, I think I did, to protect the decals. Never mind. Ignore what I just said. So I do a layer of activator, and then, no, I didn't. What am I talking about? Goodness gracious. Okay. I'm doing my layer of activator right now. So I didn't do my normal trick. I knew what I was saying in the first place. I really did. And then I'm going to go over and I'm going to wipe all the decals, and wiping the decals is, you would think that it would tear they're fine. They're laying flat. There's no issues with that. So now I go in with my first layer of activator, and I do 3 quick swipes. I did really try to only do 3. It's so hard for me because I'm so used to the odorless that I just, I really am not good at the 3 coats. But luckily this particular liquid isn't, from what I've experienced so far, it doesn't contaminate very easy. I did contaminate the base brush, like I think it was the first time I used it, but I haven't contaminated it since. And I just put it in a brush saver and it was fine. So, but the top coat brush, I have not even come close to contaminating. It is just fine. Even though I do more than 3 coats on that first dip top coat. This is my second coat, by the way. And I did kind of just zoom in so you guys could see it in all the glory because this top coat is fantastic. I'm obsessed. I wish that it was odorless because then I could use it all the time. I mean, I still can. I just need to be a little more cautious. So this is what we're looking like before I put them on the nails. And I love this set. It's probably my favorite set out of all the bundles I've ever done. I absolutely love the colors. I love the decals. This cuticle oil is so amazing. It's so good. I think you can get it in a bigger size on her site. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look into that, but you should check it out and see if you can because it is really, really fantastic. Not just the smell. I mean, the smell is great, but the oil itself is really, really, really good. One of the best quality oils I've ever used, and being that she just started doing that, I think that's pretty impressive. And then this is my other hand. This is nail polish because, I mean, I don't use gel unless I am forced to. So this is just nail polish. It was a lot of work to get that French line. But they're pretty. They turned out good. And this hand turned out fantastic. I'm obsessed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I already have a video done, so there will be one on Friday. So I look forward to seeing you guys there, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.